Someone just dropped $59,760 on same-day QQQ calls, 19,920 contracts against 1,328 open interest. This isn't retail chasing momentum. This is institutional money betting QQQ breaks $755 before today's close. Current QQQ price, $738.96. Strike, $755. Expiry, today. That's a 2.2% move required in one session. And someone just paid nearly 60 grand to position for it. Volume to open interest ratio, 15:1. This is 15 times the normal positioning. These contracts were bought at the ask, aggressive, urgent, conviction heavy. Here's what the flow tells us. First, this sweep hit during the overnight session. Institutions weren't waiting for the open. They saw something in the macro data or overnight futures action that told them QQQ was going higher. Second, VIX is at 15.59, neutral territory. This isn't a volatility spike play. This is directional. They're not hedging, they're attacking. Third, look at the liquidity map. QQQ has clear resistance at $740, then $745, then $750. The $755 strike sits just above the final liquidity pool before uncharted territory. If you're placing a 15x leverage bet on a same-day expiry, you're not guessing. You're targeting a specific liquidity void. And it's not just QQQ. AMD saw 11,480 call contracts on the 530 strike. Nvidia had 8,600 contracts on the 225 strike expiring next week. This is sector rotation. Money is moving into tech calls across the board. The play. Entry zone, $739.50 to $740.50. Wait for the first pullback to the $740 liquidity zone. Don't chase the open, let the institutions prove they're committed. Stop loss, $736. Below the overnight low. If QQQ breaks this, the sweep was a fake out. Target 1, $745. Target 2, $750. Target 3, $754.50. Contract specs, QQQ 755 calls expiring May 29, 26. Current premium, approximately $3. Break even, $758. Max loss, premium paid. Position sizing, risk no more than 2% of account on this play. If stopped at $736, that's a 0.5% move on QQQ. Size accordingly, 2% risk divided by 0.5% move equals 4x normal position. Scalper alternative, if you're not holding through the day, scalp the first move to $742. That's a 0.4% gain, quick in, quick out, no exposure to afternoon chop. What invalidates this? QQQ fails to hold $738 through the first hour. VIX spikes above 17. No follow-through volume in the first 30 minutes. This is not financial advice. This is institutional flow analysis. You're trading against the people who placed that $59,760 bet. They have more capital, better information, and no obligation to be right. Trade small. Trade smart. Live to trade tomorrow.